Across the fund, mid cap, dynamic, equity diversified, there is one stock which is your top holding, Reliance.
Yeah.
Reliance is part in your large cap, small cap, asset allocation, dynamic. Why is that? Why have you taken such a large bet in all the funds that it is your top holding?
Okay, so again, Nikunj, is a conviction. Okay,
if it has nothing to do with benchmark, right?
It's nothing to do with the benchmark. It has nothing to do. We don't, as I say, we don't follow benchmark. Okay, benchmark is only for our relative return performance. Is a benchmark which is given by regulators, so we have to keep in mind. But we don't hug bench. As active money, we are not passive fund house. Neither we are passive fund house, nor we run our product in a quasi-passive manner in any sense. So if you look at the Reliance Industries, when you talk about, it's a showcase the data points which we have, the conviction we have. 1.5 years back, something similar situation we had in ITC also. It was ITC was the topmost holding 9-10%, 8-9% across all the funds we used to have. We exited, we made good money in ITC, bought at 202 or 208 levels. And 474, 500 levels, we exited that counter. It's not that we turned negative on ITC. It's about relative opportunity. So in market, we look at absolute and relative both. We felt easy phases over in ITC, and another liquid names like Reliance was available, which has more potential than ITC for me.
How would you value Reliance?
So I don't look at, just I say, purely from the valuation, I look at 1/3 only. We look at the risk appetite and liquidity. So liquidity analytics is very important for us. The risk appetite. Risk appetite for Reliance Industries is rising. In fact, if I have to say, maybe this year belongs to Reliance as a group. Okay. Generally, we don't comment, but if I look at all the stocks in individual basis, I think that's the one theme which is coming very out. Now, you want to give extraordinary weightage on energy separately, extraordinary for EV company, green energy. Reliance has very large component. The valuation is, nobody even count. Talk about telecom or AI related stuff. Okay, nobody wants to talk about. So they have all the spaces, you leave the O2C for time being. Okay, otherwise they have all potential area where valuation, the markets are very rich. But it's a collective we don't want to give to Reliance Industry.
So I think it's on Jio financials as per your declared portfolio.
Yes.
So you're taking a bet on both the group companies.
So Jio, we have taken a bet because it is our largely a strategic thesis. Okay, as we are turning negative on banks. Okay, I think digital is an area which will be the way forward. Okay, bank in this avatar, if I have to put, will not generate alpha for us. In this avatar, they will not survive also. Okay.